Hey, welcome Coyote fans. This is Paul Ferris, and this is my 2000 Mustang Rescue, the BarraStang. Essentially, a car that made of parts of other cars that either I owned or my neighbors owned or whatever. In this case, it's going to have the turbo setup from Zach, or this turbo is Zach Damery's old turbo. I bought it from him, and I bought the manifold he recommended. I'm just trying to get the car back together. It's been 4 years. So October of 21 is when I last worked on the car. Since then had a family member with some health issues, and I was basically tending to their problems over mine. And so I'm back to working on this car, and I can't wait to get some of this stuff going again. Anyways, you can see how the turbo is going to look kind of. I've got to clock it still, and I've got to do some plumbing. I've got an intercooler on order that's going to go here, the one that Zach recommended, and I'll probably have to relocate the cooler for the power steering pump. Who cares? Get some of this engine bay finalized, though, roughed in, and then I'll pull this whole engine out because there's a lot of work to be done still. I have to fit the pedal box back in the car and some things like that. The interior is still gutted. Pedal box is removed. It's, there's things going on here too. I think we stole the speakers from my grandson's car. I didn't really care if I had good speakers or not. Anyways, she's coming along. The car is it's a rescue. It was in a wreck, and I took it, back to where it is. It's got a bolt-in front lower radiator cradle, as you can see, and it at one time was a V6 car. I've been following very closely, and I urge you, if you're into inline sixes, Jeremy Ortiz has got a car that's very similar to this one's black, and it was somebody's drag car project that he got, and he put a General Motors Atlas 4200 in it, and the similarities to this motor are striking, including like the way that it breathes and exhausts and so on. I'm actually going to follow his exact methodology for making an exhaust system, because he just put out a video that was just wonderful on that, and I'll go with 3-inch exhaust for that reason. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you don't mind. It's been a while, I know, but we're going to have a working BarraStang here in hopefully just a few short months if you want to follow along. Thanks. Thanks so much for watching. If you can take a moment to comment, please do. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already for more BarraStang content.